Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be doing this video. On Monday night, today's Friday, on Monday night on my live, I was talking to you about redoing my half bath downstairs. Now, I showed you images of what I wanted to use, and believe it or not, it showed up. This is the wallpaper I think I want to use for behind the vanity. This is the vessel sink that I picked out, made out of stone. Oh my gosh, I'm so in love with this. You have to feel that. Then I have this here that's going to stand up over that. Looks like an antique old water pump from outside. Then I chose, I know, I'm not going to get in the video, this mirror, which is, I think it's 15 or 16 inches in diameter, and truly amazing. Then I chose this light set for, above, you could see it that way, for above the mirror. It actually came with 2 Edison light bulbs. How stinking cute is this? Oh, cute. I'm in love. And let me tell you something. Look at the rusticness on this. I don't know where this all came from. This design just happened in my head, I think Sunday night. About the phone, but that was Miss Sparkling Shar. She called to say hi. All right, so this is my rustic look. What do you all think of it? I'm like so excited. Now I'm going to take you into the space it's going to be. All right, so you walk into the kitchen, come to the bathroom, open up the door, and right here, there you go. Right here is the vanity. I'm going to keep the vanity and I'm going to paint it. I'll show you the same color as the kitchen counter. I want the raw edge here. I want to remove that little backsplash. And then, I'm not getting in this video because Lord knows. So I'm going to replace this with the round mirror and then the lights. I'm going to take the outhouses off, even though I absolutely love them. Now, I'm torn. This stays up all year because it's all about the farm. So on that back wall will be the brick wallpaper. And then I think the brick wallpaper will go on that wall. But a part of me says, this wall needs it too. I think I need that. And then maybe on this wall behind me, I will do, I think I'm going to do brick wallpaper. I don't know. Very tiny bathroom, design on a dime. I can't wait to show you the rest. All right, so back in the dining room and looking at, this here is just so cool. I know this, I feel like this video is all over the place, but I wanted to tell you where I got everything. The mirror came from Home Depot, and that was $62.07. The faucet also came from Home Depot, $84.71. The sink, this measurement is 17.7 by 13.8 by 5.9. So it's really 17 by 13 by 6. And then this came from Wayfair. And this was with tax $103.84. And the lights came from Home Depot, $43.86. They did make them in 2, 3, and 4 lights, I think. But I thought that the 2 lights over the circle would be amazing. So I asked John to help me get that piece of wood from our local logger. And I'm hoping to have it, and then come Monday, I want to start my bathroom. But I think I'm going to do an entire video on beginning to end on that. But girls, thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let me know what you think of the pieces that I picked out. All right, love yous. Have a great day, and I will see you all real soon. Bye.